Hi, so I'm going to show you how to upload classwork assignments in Google Classroom if you are on a computer. So you would go to your child's classroom. At the top, you will find a tab that says Classwork, and you can click there. So there's a couple of ways you can see on the left. You can find a link that will take you straight to your students' assignments and see the things that they've done or not done. So maybe this is the assignment that they are completing. You will see on the right is where you're going to add if you have pictures of their work or if they created a document. You would do that with the plus sign, and you could link different files, or you can create something new from here to turn in. And then once you've uploaded everything you want to attach for this assignment, you will click on the Turn In button. I'm not going to do that here because I have not finished this assignment for my class, but you would click right here to turn in that assignment. And then you can go back into that classwork tab, and under assignments, I can look through and see, it shows returned means it was graded and they sent it back to me. So it looks like all my assignments you can see except for the one has been completed. So that is how you will turn in and upload resources to an assignment that you need to submit in Google Classroom.